February 15th, Louis Riel Day. Period. This is a day to commemorate the life of Louis Riel, a politician who fought for the rights of Métis people. Period. May 12th, Manitoba Day. Period. This is a day that celebrates the Manitoba Act, which was passed by the Parliament of Canada, making Manitoba a province in 1870. Period. June 21st, National Aboriginal Day. Period. This is a day that celebrates the heritage, diverse cultures, and achievements of First Nations, Inuit, and Métis people. Period. July 1st, Canada Day. Period. This day celebrates Canada becoming a country which happened on July 1st, 1867. Period. September 30th, Orange Shirt Day. Period. This is a day where we honor the Indigenous children who were sent away to residential schools in Canada. Period. November 11th, Remembrance Day. Period. This is a day to honor and remember the men and women who have served, and continue to serve Canada during times of war, conflict, and peace. Period.